Hello everyone, I am Dr. NIDHI GUPTA, faculty of BBA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on the group development, which is again the part of the subject management process and organizational behavior. So let's begin with the topic group development. What the group development is? That means how we form the group or the group is formed. Basically, group generally pass through a standardized sequence of their evolution. These stages are the result of some questions like who will be the member of the particular group, what are the rules to be followed by all the members, who will contribute what. So, let us begin the development stages. Group development consisting of 5 stages. First is forming. Forming means what we do in forming? The introduction of all the members. They share their personal information, they start to accept each other and they focus towards the group task which is to be done by all of them. The second stage is storming. What happens in that particular stage? The group members start interaction in the form of completing the status and arguing for the appropriate strategies to be adopted for the achievement of all the goals, who will do what are the basically it is the brainstorming done by all the members. Now the third stage is norming. Norming means norms, rules, we know. So group members start setting group norms emerge to guide individual behavior, which form the basis for cooperative feelings and behavior among all the members. All rules to be followed in that particular group are decided in the norming stage. The fourth one is the execution part, that is performing. All the group rules are defined. The strategies are defined in a storming stage, the group is already formed. So, the actual status of the group for which the group is formed is the performing one. When members interact on the basis of the rules, they learn to handle complex problems that came before the group. The functional roles are performed in that and they exchanged the needed whenever they need anything and the tasks are accomplished efficiently in this stage which is known as performing. After the group performance or after the group objectives achievement, what will happen? The last stage is known as adjourning. We all know that sooner or later each group has to be adjourned. Even the most successful groups, as they have completed their mission, they have to be adjourned. So, the last stage of group development is adjourning. So, in this particular topic, what we need to recall, what we need to learn, the 5 stages of group development. First one is forming, then storming, then norming, then performing and the last one is adjourning. So, I hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much.